So we just we stopped off at the dam, had a water break. Wait, target fixation. Target fixation's a real thing, people. Anyways, yeah, we just stopped for some water. I changed the battery. Only crap thing is I've got an hour of footage now, obviously of this first part of the ride, and on this I put in a new SD card, and there's only 57 minutes left of recording. So yeah, I'll see how I'll edit this video. Yeah, I'll probably put this video into two parts, and then maybe do like a full 2-hour edit, whatever, I'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the ride. If this is the second part of the video from last week, welcome back to the channel, I guess. Thanks for watching. We're in Franschhoek at the moment. This is the second part of the first part of the ride that I'm doing with Jay today. Oh, this is way. So yeah, we're out in Franschhoek Mountain now, and it's my first time out here. It's probably my third or fourth time on the bike, in the, like, you know, on dirt trails and stuff. If you watch the first part of the video, it's been quite sketchy and very new to me, and I'm learning. And Jay, my neighbor, 65-year-old hardcore guy, yeah, he's taking me through here. Wait, teaching me a lot. Yo, way, sketchy, but not too bad. You know, in the review, guys, if you guys watched the review that I had of this, the review that I had of the Husaberg, I said you can tractor over anything in third gear. And the slow stuff, I've been doing it in third gear. I almost cut out now on that little uphill, if you guys noticed. And I'm now in second gear. But yeah, I was doing that in third gear. But the nice thing is, like, yeah, you can just manage your throttle, keep on going. You most likely won't cut out. This is nice, yo. Okay, I'm enjoying this. This is actually really fun. Okay. Eh? Thank you. I'm enjoying this. This is nice. It's like, it's a little technical, but it's like the ground, there's not so many loose rocks, so you can just focus on what's up next. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I see. Oh, okay, these are jumps. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay, I see. This seems like a downhill, like it probably comes from that side, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Eh? Yes, of course. Okay. Nice. Really? Damn. That's mad. Yes? Have you met these guys? Is it? Sure, brilliant. So Jay was telling me now, and it makes sense, these are mountain biking trails. Like, look at these jumps. Wait, okay. Wait, I'm gonna do this now. I see it. Wait. Am I gonna go left or right? So these are all mountain biking trails. So at the moment, they used to be just trails that Jay and his old mates. Oh, okay. Woo! Yo, that was fantastic. That was great. My first, okay, that's my first like proper kind of water crossing. And you know what's funny? It's like I'm thinking to myself, like, there's probably, you know, if you guys are watching, you're like proper enduro riders, probably thinking, bro, that was fuck all, that was nothing. But to me, that was like my first time doing it. That was fun. You know, the cool thing is, like, when you're new to something, there's something wrong. Nothing wrong with being new, you know. And for me, that was my first time doing that. That was fun. And check these. This would be fun to come on a mountain bike, eh? Do some downhill, you know. Oh, check here, these little hips. So obviously we're going up the trail, and on a mountain bike you'd be coming down. Which, yeah, this is fun, man. Ooh, check the berm. Fun. Wait. Oi, this is fucking mad. Okay, actually, I'm gonna treat this like a downhill section on my mountain bike. This is literally... Wait! Oh, fuck. Enough. Oh. Enough. Oh, my knee, oh, my leg. Oh. This rock just came out of nowhere.
Yeah, fucking rock.
And I hit my chicken, bro. Did I crack my nose? I mean,
You pushed it right down.
I hit.
Pushed it right down.
Bike went this way. I think I hit my leg on there. Yeah, I hit my leg on there. My helmet went crashing into that. Bike ended up in here. Is it fine? Okay guys, so I'm up, I'm alive. Sorry mom that you had to see that. Yo, I think it's time to get medical aid. But yeah, so as you guys saw, my bike just washed out on a rock into a big jagged rock, and yo, flip, head hit another rock. Yo, check him taking that 4-stroke, eh? He's taking my bike through. Flip, what a legend. What a legend. Oh, what a lad. He got that out so easy. So easy. Crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna walk across. Okay, I think I just need to get used to the fact and idea that my socks are gonna get fucking wet. It already is wet. Oh, lovely, it's soaked. Socks are soaked. Haha. How was that? Eh? I'll chat to him now. Watch him get through here. Oh, you know, it looks so easy. Oh, but it's not. Like, that's not fucking easy. What he's doing right there. Not fucking easy. Ah, oh, shit. I gotta go that way. Huh? No? It just... How's your boots? No water. Little bit. Only a little. Bro, I'm soaked. Is it? Yeah, I know the leg is starting to feel a bit better. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's all that matters. I get you. Oh yeah, how did it feel getting over here? Tall, yeah. Yeah, no, I'll be careful, yeah. Okay. Boy. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Okay, I just need to get confident on this again. After taking such a fall, your confidence kind of dwindles, you know? Oh, fuck. My confidence. Okay, I'm standing, which is great. Oh, fucking hell. Sure, guys, so the fall was quite hectic. Oh my word. If you must see the bruise on my leg, well, the hematoma, my leg just looks like a rugby ball. But the pain it's there, but it's like at first it was like a 9. Now it's maybe like a 6 going down to a 4, depending if I put pressure on my leg or not. But it's feeling a bit better. Yeah, I really got to work on my target fixation. It's like it's you know, like in the trails it's like fine, I don't target fixate, but yeah, you see a rock and it's like fuck, I don't want to hit that rock, and then because you're focusing on it, your body just goes there. So it's like I've got to learn to focus around the obstacles, you know? Plan my route. But hey, I fell in my chops and I'm up again. I'm so lucky, guys. I'm so grateful that I didn't break my femur. Doesn't feel like a fracture. Jay just said. When you see people and dogs especially, you just want to go slow, be respectful. You don't want to scare the dogs, you know. Wait! Bike just washes out. Woo, my eyes. Woo. Oh, there's whoops. Yo. Your eyes just get so watery because I'm not wearing goggles, obviously. Whee! Oh, that was fun. So these long open gravel roads, oh I love this, this is nice. This is fun. But then again, this is easy fun, you know? Relatively easy fun. But it's still easy fun. Compared to what we were doing. Oh, so my leg is feeling a bit better, but Jay was like, no, let's take the gravel roads back, obviously. Especially after a fall like that. You don't want to hurt yourself even more. But I'm telling you now, I'm going to wake up in the morning tomorrow, guys. Maybe I can get a nice video or a picture and I'll show you. But I'm sure of it, I'm going to have a fucking moose, a big ass bruise. But I'm riding home. I'm actually quite proud of myself. And that's the thing, you know, when you like I'm very proud of myself, you know. The sport is teaching me to be so tough. I mean, I like to think I'm quite a tough guy. Mr. Tough Guy, but like that. I mean, fuck, we went straight into a jagged rock at speed, cucks, and I mean, I've torn all 3 ligaments in my left knee. I've torn all 3 of my ligaments, and that wasn't, the initial pain of that wasn't as sore as this. Okay, after I got the surgery with my ligaments, that was boost sore. But this now, the initial pain was sore. It's subsiding now, but I'm telling you, once your body rests, and I think I was talking about it the other day, it's like, once you're going so hardcore and then you let your body rest, then everything like kind of comes back to baseline. That's when your body will feel it. Like now, cool, I have the energy and feeling to get home. Woo! Oh yeah!